Okay, this is a blues improv 2, and what we're going to do is you are heading toward 3-4 stars for this, particularly if you can play it in time well. So we're going to use all of the notes of this blues scale, which of course is G, B flat, C, D flat, D, F, G, da na 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 na. Right? Sounds really, really bluesy. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these in the chords in the left hand, and we're going to look at improvising in the right hand. Also, this sounds really good as well, where you can kind of shake those two notes. All right, let me demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So you can see that I was playing with those notes, getting a lot of fun there, playing those two notes, but also that little downward pattern here. G da 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 da. And playing with that minor third is things that you can do, and you can just experiment. What you're trying to do is trying to find things that work. So right there for me, that really worked nicely. So you could hear how I kept coming back to it. So what you might find is an interval or a note or two notes together that sound really nice when you shake those together. Make sure that you're providing a really steady accompaniment in that left hand as well though, okay? Good luck.